Dancing with the wind, we are free falling now. No choice but to trust this as we go into the void. We are standing, staring into empty space, asking all our questions, answers we can't trace. Is this all there is? Is this all there is? I feel the waves of the change reflect on everything we know. How do you stand out from the infinite? The rate of growth is hard to keep up with. Under a diamond sky, everyone wants to shine. Under a diamond sky, everyone wants to shine. We are all connected to each other now, reaching new dimensions as we go into the void. Moments away from our one true destiny. Time won't slow down at all, like a bird set free. It will fly to the heights of its whole life. Do not hesitate in flight. Just reach the waves of the change reflect on everything we know. And can we stand out from the infinite? We are the ones who define what this life is. Under a diamond sky, everything starts to shine.